Each day we perform various activities like we eat, we play, we run, we study and many other. Can you tell me which organ system helps us in performing these activities? Yes, it is our skeletal system. Today we'll learn about human skeletal system. Our body is made up of many bones which are of different shapes and sizes. A baby is born with 300 soft bones, and with the growth of the child, some bones fuse together and an adult has 206 bones which together form our skeletal system. Our skeletal system is the internal framework of the body. Our skeletal system provides support to the body and maintain its shape. It provides movement to the body and its various parts. It provides attachment to the muscles. It protects our internal organs like our brain, heart, lungs, etc. As we all know, an adult has about 206 bones. The bones of our body are very hard. They are living tissues which are mainly made up of minerals like calcium and phosphorus which make them hard. Bones are strong but light in weight as they are hollow from inside. The longest bone in our body is the femur, which is our thigh bone, and the smallest bone present in our body is our ear bone, which is also known as stapes. Muscles. Muscles are soft, fleshy and strong tissues which are found in every part of our body. There are about more than 600 muscles present in our body. Muscles are of three types: voluntary, involuntary and cardiac muscles. Now we will discuss about the types of muscles. First, voluntary muscles. The muscles which are under our control are known as voluntary muscles. These muscles are found in our arms, legs, eyes and ears and tongue also. These muscles are used while reading, writing and playing. Now, second is the involuntary muscles. Involuntary muscles are those muscles which are not under our control, like the muscles found in our internal organs, kidneys, heart and are also used during the digestive system. Cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles are those muscles which is found in our heart, and it is also a kind of involuntary muscles. One interesting thing about muscles is that it takes 43 muscles to frown and only 17 muscles to smile. Now we will discuss about the parts of the skeleton. The main parts of the skeleton are the skull, the vertebral column, the rib cage, the limbs and the girdles. Now let's begin with skull. The skull is the framework of the bones of the head. It is made up of 22 extremely strong and hard bones. Do you know the bones of the skull are immovable except for the lower jaw. This lower jaw bone is also known as mandible and it helps us to talk and eat. Now let's discuss about our vertebral column. The vertebral column is a column of 33 ring-like hollow bones which starts from the base of the skull and runs up to the lower back. Now let's discuss about our rib cage. The rib cage is an arrangement of 12 pair of ribs present in our chest region. The rib cage protects our delicate lungs and heart. The first 10 pair of ribs are attached to the vertebral column from the front and at the back, and last two pairs are attached at the vertebral column and are free in the front, so they are known as floating ribs. Now let's start with limbs. Our hands and legs are known as limbs. Our arms are known as forelimbs and our legs are known as hind limbs. The upper arm has one long bone, it is known as humerus, and the forearm has two bones. And in our leg, femur is the longest bone, and our lower leg has also two bones. Now let's start with our girdles. The bony structure that join our limbs to the trunk of the body is known as girdles. Our arms are connected with the help of shoulder girdle, and our legs are connected with the help of pelvic girdle. These girdles help in the free movement of our arms and legs. Now let's discuss about our joints. The point or the junction at which two or more bones meet, it is known as our joints. Joints are of two types, movable joints and immovable joints. Movable joints are those joints which allow free movement of our body, like the joints of our arms, legs, shoulder and hips. Immovable joints. Immovable joints are those joints which allow a little or no movement, like the joints of our skull, teeth, jaws, except for the mandible, which helps us to talk and eat. Bones and muscles are an important part of our body. So, to make them stronger, we should have a balanced diet which is rich in proteins, minerals, calcium and vitamins. Food like cheese, milk and dairy products along with fruits and vegetables are a good source of vitamins and minerals. We should avoid eating junk food, as junk food makes our bones weak. Along with that, we can do regular exercises and yoga. Simple exercises like swimming, jogging, walking and yoga will make us fit and strong. These all was for today's session of the skeletal system. Thank you.